Welcome back to Auto Gear Insider. Today, I'm sharing 19 interior car accessories for USA driver that can instantly upgrade comfort, safety, and convenience in your vehicle. Whether you drive daily, travel long distances, or just love smart car upgrades, these Amazon picks are practical and affordable. From organization to tech upgrades, I've carefully selected the best options for real drivers. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Car steering desk tray. If you often eat, work, or write while parked in your car, the car steering desk tray is a surprisingly useful accessory. I love how it instantly transforms the steering wheel into a stable mini desk. One side works perfectly for meals with a cup holder, while the other side provides a flat surface for laptops, notebooks, or tablets. It's lightweight, easy to install, and folds away neatly when not in use. The sturdy design keeps everything balanced so you can comfortably work or enjoy lunch inside your vehicle. For commuters, delivery drivers, or road trip lovers, this simple tool can make your car interior much more practical. Microfiber steering cover. Driving becomes much more comfortable with a good steering wheel cover, and the microfiber steering cover does exactly that. I like how the soft microfiber material feels smooth while still providing a secure grip. It helps absorb sweat during long drives and keeps the steering wheel from getting too hot or cold depending on the weather. Another big advantage is protection, since it helps prevent wear and tear on the original steering wheel. Installation is quick, and the flexible design fits most standard steering wheels. If you want better control, improved comfort, and a cleaner-looking interior, this accessory is an easy upgrade. Universal Sun Shield. Keeping your car cool during sunny days can be difficult, but the Universal Sun Shield makes a huge difference. I've used several sunshades before, and this one stands out because of its full windshield coverage and reflective material. It blocks harsh sunlight and helps prevent the dashboard, seats, and steering wheel from overheating. That means when you get back into your car, the interior feels much more comfortable. It also protects the interior from fading caused by UV exposure. The foldable design makes it easy to store in a door pocket or glove box. It's a simple accessory that protects your vehicle every single day. Car seat organizer bag. A messy car can be frustrating, especially during daily commutes or long trips. The car seat organizer bag helps keep everything neatly organized and easy to reach. I like how it attaches to the back of the front seat and provides multiple pockets for tablets, snacks, water bottles, chargers, and small gadgets. It's especially helpful for families or anyone who travels often. The durable material holds up well to daily use and keeps items from rolling around the car. Another benefit is that it helps protect the seat backs from dirt and scuffs. Overall, it's a practical solution for keeping the interior tidy and organized. Breathable steering cover. The breathable steering cover is designed for drivers who want maximum comfort and better airflow while driving. I really appreciate the perforated design that allows air to circulate, which keeps your hands cool even during long drives. Unlike some thicker covers, this one feels lightweight while still offering a secure grip on the wheel. It also improves steering control by reducing slipping. The stylish design can instantly upgrade the look of your car interior as well. Installation is quick, and the flexible material fits most steering wheels easily. If comfort and style matter to you while driving, this cover is definitely worth considering. Turbo Boost Gauge Kit. For drivers who love performance monitoring, the Turbo Boost Gauge Kit is a fantastic addition to the dashboard. This accessory lets you keep track of turbo pressure in real time, which is incredibly useful for vehicles with turbocharged engines. I enjoy how the bright display makes readings easy to see even while driving. It not only adds a sporty look to the interior, but also helps drivers monitor engine performance more accurately. Installation is usually straightforward, with clear connections to the vehicle system. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or simply curious about engine behavior, this gauge adds both style and useful information to your driving experience. Collapsible trunk organizer. If your trunk constantly gets cluttered with groceries, tools, and random items, the collapsible trunk organizer is a game changer. I love how it creates dedicated compartments so everything stays in place while driving. The sturdy structure prevents items from sliding around, which helps protect fragile groceries or equipment. When not in use, the organizer easily folds flat to save space.
Many versions also include side pockets and handles, making it convenient to carry items directly from your trunk to your home. It's a small addition that makes a huge difference in keeping your vehicle organized and reducing unnecessary mess. 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Pump. Keeping your car interior clean is much easier with the 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Pump. I really like how this compact device combines multiple functions, including vacuuming, inflating, deflating, and air pumping. It's powerful enough to remove dust, crumbs, and dirt from seats, carpets, and tight corners. The included attachments help reach tricky areas between seats and under floor mats. Because it plugs into the vehicle power outlet, you can clean your car almost anywhere. The lightweight design also makes it easy to store in the trunk or glove compartment. For anyone who wants a tidy interior without visiting a car wash often, this tool is incredibly useful.
Car Sound Deadening Mat. Road noise can sometimes ruin the peaceful atmosphere inside a vehicle, but the Car Sound Deadening Mat helps reduce that problem significantly. I like how these mats are installed under carpets, doors, or panels to absorb vibrations and outside noise. Once installed, the cabin becomes noticeably quieter, which improves music quality and overall driving comfort. They also provide extra insulation against heat and cold. The adhesive backing makes installation easier for most vehicles. If you enjoy listening to music or simply want a calmer driving experience, this upgrade can dramatically improve how your car interior feels during every drive. Emergency Car Escape Tool. Safety should always come first while driving, and the Emergency Car Escape Tool is a small accessory that could potentially save lives. I always recommend keeping one within reach because it combines two important tools in one compact device. The sharp seatbelt cutter can quickly slice through a jammed seatbelt, while the hardened steel tip can break a car window during emergencies. It's lightweight and usually attaches to the visor or keychain for quick access. Many drivers forget about emergency preparedness, but this simple tool adds peace of mind. In critical situations, having the right tool nearby can make a huge difference.
Car seat gap filler. If you've ever dropped your phone, keys, or coins between the seat and center console, you know how frustrating it can be. The car seat gap filler solves that problem instantly. I like how this slim cushion slides perfectly into the gap beside the seat, blocking items from falling into hard-to-reach spaces. The soft yet durable material blends nicely with most car interiors and stays securely in place. Installation literally takes seconds with no tools required. It also helps keep the car cleaner by preventing crumbs and debris from getting trapped. For such a simple accessory, it saves a surprising amount of time and frustration. 2-in-1 Car Escape Tool. The 2-in-1 Car Escape Tool is another smart safety device every driver should consider keeping in their vehicle. I appreciate how this compact tool combines a seatbelt cutter and window breaker in one small design. In the event of an accident or emergency where doors cannot open, this tool allows passengers to cut through jammed seatbelts and break tempered glass windows quickly. Most versions include a protective casing and bright color for easy visibility. It's small enough to store in a glove compartment or attach to a keychain. Simple accessories like this can provide peace of mind and improve overall vehicle safety preparedness.
HD Backup Camera System. Parking and reversing become much easier with the HD Backup Camera System installed. I really enjoy how the high-definition camera provides a clear, wide view of what's behind the vehicle. This helps avoid obstacles, curbs, and other vehicles while backing up. Many systems include night vision features, which are extremely helpful in low light conditions. The camera is usually mounted near the license plate, while the display connects to a dashboard screen. Once installed, it greatly improves parking confidence and safety. Whether you drive in crowded parking areas or narrow driveways, this camera system provides an extra set of eyes that every driver can appreciate. 7-inch HD Backup Monitor. Pairing perfectly with the rear camera, the 7-inch HD Backup Monitor gives drivers a clear display while reversing. I like how the larger screen size makes it easy to see obstacles and parking lines without straining your eyes. The high-resolution display delivers sharp images that help improve parking accuracy. Many monitors also support multiple camera inputs, allowing drivers to add side or front cameras if needed. The slim design fits nicely on the dashboard without blocking the windshield view. For drivers who want a clearer and safer reversing experience, this monitor makes backing up much more convenient and stress-free.
All-weather floor mats. Protecting your car's interior starts with the right floor mats, and all-weather floor mats are one of the best upgrades you can make. I like how these mats are designed to handle mud, water, snow, and everyday dirt without damaging the original carpet. The raised edges help trap spills and debris, making cleanup quick and simple. Most versions use durable rubber or heavy-duty materials that last for years. They also feature anti-slip backing to stay securely in place while driving. If you want to keep your vehicle interior looking clean and well protected in every season, these mats are a very smart investment. 1080p Dash Cam Recorder. A reliable dash cam can be incredibly helpful on the road, and the 1080p Dash Cam Recorder captures clear footage while you drive. I like how it continuously records high-definition video that can be useful in case of accidents or unexpected incidents. Many models include loop recording, motion detection, and night vision for better performance at night. The compact design mounts easily to the windshield and operates automatically when the car starts. Having video evidence can provide extra security and peace of mind while driving. For daily commuters or road trip fans, a dash cam is one of the smartest interior tech upgrades available.
Military-grade phone holder. Using navigation apps while driving becomes much easier with a military-grade phone holder. I really appreciate the strong grip and sturdy construction that keeps the phone stable even on rough roads. Unlike cheaper mounts, this holder is designed to handle vibrations without dropping the device. It usually attaches securely to the dashboard or air vent and allows easy adjustment for the perfect viewing angle. That means you can follow maps, answer calls hands-free, or control music safely. If you rely on your smartphone for navigation and communication while driving, this heavy-duty phone holder is a dependable accessory to keep everything within view. Steel-weighted shift knob. For drivers who enjoy a more responsive driving feel, the steel-weighted shift knob is a stylish and functional upgrade. I like how the added weight improves gear shifting by making movement smoother and more precise. The solid steel construction also gives the interior a sporty and premium appearance. Many designs feature textured grips that provide better control during gear changes. Installation is usually simple and compatible with a wide range of manual vehicles. Besides performance benefits, it's also a great way to customize the interior look of your car. Small details like this can make driving feel more engaging and enjoyable.
Car OBD2 HUD Display. The Car OBD2 HUD Display brings modern technology directly to your windshield. I love how this device projects important driving information like speed, RPM, fuel consumption, and engine data right in front of the driver. Because the information appears on the windshield, you don't have to look down at the dashboard as often. That helps drivers stay focused on the road while still monitoring vehicle performance. Installation is simple since it connects through the OBD2 port found in most vehicles. For anyone who enjoys smart driving technology and real-time vehicle data, this heads-up display adds both convenience and futuristic style.
And that wraps up today's list of 19 interior car accessories for USA driver that can seriously upgrade comfort, safety, and convenience inside your vehicle. From smart storage solutions to high-tech driving tools, these accessories can make everyday driving easier and more enjoyable. If any of these products caught your attention, don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching Auto Gear Insider. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next top gadget review.